Before I start, I just want to let you know that I always loved exploring old houses. So, when there was a rumor that the old lady at the end of the street died, I quickly grabbed the opportunity and went exploring. First, I took the large TV she had in her living room and later returned for more. What really terrified me though is that there were noises upstairs. I went to check it out and I saw her corpse lying on the ground. I didn't believe in zombies, but as I saw her corpse move and talk something about
Help! I have a stroke!
I took out my bat out of my pocket and started hitting her. I missed every single time though and soon had to run out of the house and call the cops. Police came after an hour and went in to finish my job. When they told me she was dead, I felt so good, but then they started arresting me. I assumed they wanted to take all the credits to themselves, but after a while I realized that they were taking me to jail. I have never ran as fast as I ran that day, and you can bet that I'm never going to explore again.
So spooked right now.